Yes, please. Welcome in the class again. In the previous classes, we were describing about the basic principles of single phase transformer, three phase transformer. We also described the what is the auto transformer and what is the application of this. And these are the power transformers. Power transformer, these are used either at the generation side, transmission side, as well as they are called the distribution transformer when we use them in the distribution side. So it means we study the power transformer, we study the distribution transformer, both the single phase or three phase. And auto transformer also we studied. This now next topic is about the instrument transformers. What is the meaning of instrument? When we say about the instrument transformers, it means we are talking about the instruments, and instruments means it is a device used for the measurement purpose. So either it is used for the measurement purpose or as a tool which is used for making some work. So as the measurement is used, means this transformer is used for the measurement purpose. That's why it is called the instrument transformer. And how it is used for the measurement purpose, principle is the same. Primary side is there, secondary side is there, equivalent circuit is the same, only the application is the different. One thing is the application is different, another thing is the rating of the transformer is very small as compared to the power transformer, because the load is not flowing into these transformers. So when before starting to this, suppose before starting to the actual topic of current transformer, potential transformer, let us have this load where this current is flowing. This is load and this is the current. Now for example, you have for the measurement of the current, what device do you have? Ammeter. And what is the range of the ammeter used in laboratory? You have 5 ampere, 10 ampere, in this range. Suppose you want to measure the current of 1000 ampere. How will you measure? The range of 1000 ampere in the ammeter is not there. It means what we have to reduce the range of that. We have to reduce the load current is to be proportionate, load current is to be taken. So it means, what is the meaning of this? It means if you want to measure the current here, suppose you want to measure the current here, what will you do in normal way? In normal situation, what we do? We apply a ammeter in series with the load. But what will we do now here? Here we will assume this current, because this current is very heavy, this current is very high. Suppose 1000 ampere current is going. So 1000 ampere current is going, we cannot break this. We cannot put ammeter in series with this. Even if the range is available, then we cannot make this cut off. We cannot break the line and we cannot put the ammeter inside this. So what we do? We assume this is a single one coil. Here we connect a, say, so this is called as a primary, one coil, one line. It is considered as a one transmission line. This is considered as a primary and this is considered as a secondary. So here it means, and depending upon the turns ratio, here suppose depending upon the turns ratio, here we know the IP primary / secondary, turns ratio is secondary / primary, NP. Okay, this the same formula which we are studying earlier also. The formula is same. It means, and the number of turns on the secondary, this is the number of turns. Here it is a primary, let it be 1. So you can say this IP will be equal to NS is very high. NS, say for example, this NS NP is equal to, let it be 1. So it will be only NS, or you can say this is N. NP by NS is equal. If it is 1, then okay. If it is 2, then accordingly. So N into IS. What is the meaning of this? Suppose Suppose this can measure secondary side. Secondary side there is an ammeter which is connected here. You can connect an ammeter here, and range of ammeter is 5 ampere. Suppose range of ammeter is 5 ampere. So if you want to measure 1000 ampere, range of ammeter is 5 ampere and you want to measure 1000 ampere. So what will be this turns ratio? कितना होना चाहिए? 200. It means this is a one turn, so 200 turns are there. 200 turns will be there, and if there are 200 turns, then we can say the primary side means 1000 ampere. Here there is 1000 ampere. On the secondary side, it will come as a 5 ampere. So if the 5 ampere current is there, you can say the primary side there is a 1000. If 4 ampere coming into 4 ampere current is there in the ammeter, then what is the current in the primary side? Agar secondary side ammeter is showing the reading of 4, then on the primary side current is 800 ampere, and accordingly if it is a 4.1, then that will be the accordingly multiplied by 200. So now what is the actual? See, this is a arrangement. Here it is a clamp type arrangement is there. Say this is a, suppose a conductor is here. So there is a clip. Suppose this is a conductor and this clip type of arrangement is there. This is a clip like this, and this clip is of magnetic field. This is of magnetic field. You can make it a line is going here. The magnetic field clip is there, and here in this core there is a 200 turns are there. तो आपको लाइन ब्रेक करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आपने यहाँ गया क्लिप सर्किट क्लिप लगाया, और you know there is a secondary side there are 200 turns. So it means accordingly proportionate to that multiplied by 200, you will get you will understand the current flowing into the primary is this. Is this point clear or not? Okay. Now you want to ask the question?
जो मेन लाइन है सर, वो जो एसी मेंस लाइन है उसके क्रॉस आप जो बता रहे हो कि वो लूप की तरह ये करके उससे ही वोल्टेज इंड्यूस हो जाती है और कोई टर्न्स की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, मतलब उतना काफी होता है.
One turn it is considered as a one turn.
So that is enough, sir.
Enough.
Okay, so that was my question.
Okay. Now, yes, please. Similarly, because here current is very high. Now some precaution has to be taken. Current is very high, voltage is very less. Because what will be if it is a transmission line? Suppose here voltage is 66 kV. Here voltage is 66 kV. And what will be the voltage at the sending end side? कितना होगा? 66 kV or slightly high, 66.5. Or some phasor angle. So it will be slightly. It means, please listen. This line is, for example, 100 kilometer distance, and here voltage is 66.5. Here voltage is 66. It means voltage drop from here to here is 0.5 kV. It's called the 500 volt, and 500 volt voltage from here to here 100 kilometer. So what will be voltage in 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter? The voltage is very small. Means here to here there is no almost voltage is very small. So it means accordingly here voltage will not be very high. But because of the current is very high, primary side current is very high. If you make it by the way, if you make it open, so because of high current, rate of change of induced EMF, high voltage can be there. So clip side it is not made as a open. First it is kept as a short circuited. When the clip is made, ammeter is connected, then you make it open. This ammeter is just like a short circuit. Ammeter अपने आप में short circuit की तरह behave करता है. So when ammeter is connected, then it is made as a open. So this is the precaution to be taken care. Now about the potential transformer. Potential transformer, again similar principle. number of turns on the primary is very high, primary and secondary. If you want to measure the voltage here, if you want to measure the voltage here, what will you do? This voltage is 66 kV and your range of voltmeter is 300. Suppose even if suppose you have a voltmeter of that range, 66 kV का voltmeter भी है, whether you can measure the voltage? You cannot measure. You cannot go near the line where the 66 kV voltage is there. So because of the security purpose, protection purpose, also we cannot go near to that. That's why here, to measure the potential, to have the potential transformer, a primary side here, there will be like this. Primary side high potential lines. On secondary side number of turns are very small. So what about this voltage? Primary voltage oblique secondary voltage, number of turns on the primary, number of turns on the secondary. Okay, suppose secondary side number of turns are very small, 1 or 2. Also you can say primary side voltage, for example, number of turns on this is 1, so you can say like N and Vs. It means suppose this is secondary side voltage is 300 volt. Secondary side voltage is 300 and you want to measure 330. You assume as a 330 volt. Range of the secondary side voltmeter is 330 volt and you want to measure 66 kV. You want to measure 66 kV. 66 kV. Okay. So what will be the turns ratio? 200. It means here on primary side there should be 200 turns, secondary side there is 1 turn. And here you can connect the voltmeter, and with the help of voltmeter, if its reading is 290, suppose reading is 290, then what will be the voltage on the primary side? 290 divided by 330 multiplied by the turns ratio. Accordingly you can find this. Now you see, even if this primary side 66 kV voltage and connecting this number of turns very high, but sometimes in place of doing this, what we do, we connect here, we may connect a capacitor here. So what will happen? Maximum voltage will be here, this voltage will be small, proportionate. We know how the voltage will be divided. The impedance of this is j omega c, impedance of this is x, it can be divided. So 66 kV can be divided in such a way that voltage here, suppose 66 kV, here voltage can be 65 kV and here voltage can be 1 kV. So the stress on the binding will be less. Okay, and accordingly then turns ratio can be decided. Is this point clear or not? Now suppose you want to measure power with the help of the wattmeter. जैसे आप क्या करते हैं, suppose this is a load, again we write this is a load and you want to measure the power, how much power is consumed in this load. You want to measure how much power is consumed in this load. तो क्या करते हैं,
ये Vp by Vs is equal to Ns by Ns dt.
अच्छा, so what we do here, suppose we want to measure the power of normal load in the laboratory, what we do, wattmeter has 2 coils. Wattmeter के पास 2 coil होती है, one is the current coil and another is the potential coil. So current coil of the wattmeter is connected here in series. Current coil of the wattmeter is connected here in series and potential coil is connected in parallel. Potential coil parallel to the load. अब यहाँ क्या करेंगे, load is here, this is a line, 66 kV line is there and you want to measure the power and wattmeter is here. You are at a substation from where 33 kV lines is going and you want to measure what is the power on that. It means the current coil of the wattmeter. Wattmeter is having the current coil. This is the current coil of the wattmeter. Okay, and this is a potential coil of the wattmeter. तो current coil will be feeded from here. Current coil यहाँ से and potential coil will be connected like this. So this wattmeter then gave, wattmeter क्या power देगा? Whatever reading it will give, and what will be, you can calculate what will be power on the actual power of the load. कितना होगा? Number of turns this multiply with number of turns this, that. Okay? Is this point clear? यहाँ तक किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है? Now what is the, if such type of measurement is done, whether this is accurate or some mistakes is, some error is there, because this is a instrument transformer. Instrument transformer, it means the actual current is less in comparison to the, on the secondary side. There is a primary side, on the secondary side the current is less in comparison to the, otherwise what happens, secondary current is very high in comparison to the no load current. Normally no load current कितना होता है? ट्रांसफॉर्मर का नो लोड करंट कितना होता है? Hardly 5%. And in that there are two components, magnetizing component of current and iron component of current. But here this component is not too less in comparison to the low secondary side load current. So if we study the equivalent circuit of the transformer, it is GI, it is VM, primary side, secondary side, number of turns, and करंट ट्रांसफार्मर की बात कर रहा हूं, सेकेंडरी साइड, सेकेंडरी रेजिस्टेंस, एक्सेस रिएक्टेंस एंड सेकेंडरी साइड वोल्टेज Vs. Okay, ATG. This is the equivalent circuit of the transformer. Any transformer, if it is used as a current transformer, then this current, secondary side current, here this current Is, and if depending upon number of turns, this current on this side will be equal to N into Is, and in comparison to N into Is, this is also some recognizable value. This is I0, it cannot be completely neglected. It is some, if neglect, no problem, 1-2% error may be there. But if we want the accuracy, then we have to understand the phasor diagram of this. This, say for example, this is phi. Okay, there are two components of this. When it is at no load, there are two components. One is the magnetizing component of current, this Im, this Im, and this is IE. Magnetizing component of current, and it is a iron loss component of current. So this is say Im, magnetizing component of current, and this is IE. This is I0. Okay, and depending upon the load, secondary side current is Is. Secondary side current, say for example, this is Is. ये किस पे डिपेंड करेगा? सेकेंडरी साइड करंट किस पे डिपेंड कर रहा है? लोड पे डिपेंड करेगा. लोड मीन्स लोड की पावर फैक्टर. So angle of this can be some angle delta. So you can say this V plus, here if you write the equation for this, Vs plus IsRs plus J times IsXs is equal to E. Okay, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? If it is this, and for example it is a V and IsRs means in this direction. ISRS and ISXS, and this is E. Okay, if this is IAS, so what will on the primary side, if it is IS, on the primary side it is NS. N into IS, and here you see IS divided by this from here, and IS on that side, this formula will be applicable. Okay, this formula is applicable here. इसके accordingly means whatever is here, secondary side में आपने measure कर लिया, multiply by n, you will find this might be the primary side current. This is the primary, मतलब टर्न्स रेशियो के अकॉर्डिंगली आपको पता लग जाएगा प्राइमरी कितना. बट here we have neglected this I0. In fact this I0 is also there. This I0 is also there, means ये जो है आपका in fact what is the net current on the primary side? This plus this. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, इसके पैरेलल में आपने ये ड्रॉ किया N into IS. Okay, N into IS. What is this? This is angle delta. So what is this angle? Delta. Okay, and if it is a delta, what is this angle? ये angle क्या होगा यहां से लेके यहां तक 90 minus delta. It means what is this? 90 minus delta. Okay, so and what is I0? This, if you extend this I0, the direction of the I0, and this I0, this angle is, what is this angle? इसमें आपको पता है, from here GI and VM we can find this angle alpha. So this is also alpha. So what is this? 90 minus delta minus alpha. So your actual current is this plus this. This plus this means actual current is this. Okay, this is the actual current which is called as a IP. This is IP, and we have to find out what is this IP. IP क्या होगा? If this is I0, this is N into IS. Suppose this is I0 and this is N into IS, तो इसका ये इक्वेशन क्या होगा? IP. IP will be equal to क्या होगा? इसका स्क्वायर प्लस 2 times ऑफ AB cos डेल्टा. यही तो होता है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? I0 स्क्वायर प्लस NIS स्क्वायर प्लस 2 times ऑफ I0 NIS and cos of this means 90 minus this, so it will be the sine of delta minus alpha. ओके, यहां तक किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ लो. Now you see. Okay. Sorry. IP. Now, since the normally delta and alpha, we consider they are a small value. If we assume delta and as a small value, so sin delta plus alpha you can has a very small value, and here we can in place of this we can multiply it here. Approximately we made it as a approximation of this. Then NIS square plus 2 times of I0 NIS sin delta plus alpha. तो ये क्या हो गया? दिस स्क्वायर प्लस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ दिस, तो ये क्या होगा, a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू IP स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू I0 साइन डेल्टा प्लस अल्फा प्लस NIS स्क्वायर. इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर और नॉट? ठीक है, ये आ रहा समझ में? नाउ फ्रॉम हियर देखिए, दिस बोथ साइड दिस विल बी कैंसिल्ड, so you can write IP into IP divided by IS. Here you can write IP divided by IS. क्या होगा ये, I0 साइन डेल्टा प्लस अल्फा डिवाइडेड बाई IS. देखिए यहाँ, नाउ यू कंपेयर दिस एंड दिस, इसको इससे कंपेयर करो. यहाँ क्या था, IP बाई NS, IP बाई IS इज इक्वल टू N, मतलब हम डायरेक्टली N का मल्टीप्लाई करके हम पता कर लगते हैं कि व्हाट इज द करंट. इफ वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट द एग्जैक्ट, देन दिस फॉर्मूला इज टू बी यूज्ड. मींस दिस इज द एरर in measurement. I0 sin delta plus alpha divided by IS. So this is the error. We can add this to find the exact value. Okay. So error can be compensated by this formula. Is there any question up to now? यहाँ तक किसी को कुछ पूछना? Anything you want to ask? हाँ भाई, पूछना किसी को? हाँ, यस.
पूछ चले. सर ने कहा
हैंड ओवर द माइक टू एनीबडी एल्स, किसी दूसरे को. गर्ल्स, हिमांशी आस्क द क्वेश्चन.
I don't have any question.
हाँ, हिमांशी को देना.
You have any question?
No, I don't have any question.
Any question? कुछ भी?
No violence.
Anything?
Everything is clear.
Ani, I think you are NBA person.
सर जो ये फेजर डायग्राम है, इसमें NIS ऊपर क्यों लिया सर सबसे?
ये
सर ऊपर
अपोजिट. हाँ,
अपोजिट क्यों लिया सर?
दिस इज ऑन द सेकेंडरी साइड, इट्स इफेक्ट ऑन द प्राइमरी साइड. जैसे ये यहाँ IS है, इसका इफेक्ट इस साइड में. इज इट ओके?
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर.
Okay. Now you yes, stand up and do the
On the behalf of student, I request you to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
सर एक सवाल